I'm going to show you how to make a custom winter hat using all sorts of fabrics. If you want to follow along, download the PDF pattern and gather the supplies on the screen. Getting started with construction, the first thing we're going to do is make sure we have the right sides together, and then double check to make sure you have the stretch going in the correct direction. Locate the side mark guides on both ends of the pattern, place the pattern on the fabric, and mark out the guides. The next step is sewing the side seam, and this is going to be the side that's opposite of the fold. With the edge lined up, we're going to sew at a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and be sure to sew only in between the side mark guides. Next, we're going to sew the peak seams, and what I like to do is pinch the fabric at the bottom of the peak, pull it up. This will put the side seam in the center, and what we're going to do is sew the outside edges, and there's going to be 4 edges we have to sew. With the peaks finished, we're going to fold it in half with wrong sides together. Line up the center seams and the outside edges and stitch that top edge at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Pull the right sides out, roll up the bottom edge, add your branding, and your winter hat is complete. With this pattern, you can make these out of all sorts of fabric.